Hi! In this video, we will quickly overview Leisure Time Spa 56. What is Leisure Time Spa 56? Leisure Time Spa 56 chlorinating granules are specifically formulated for spas as its concentrated granular chlorine effectively sanitizes and disinfects spa hot tub water. Product benefits: maintains clean, clear, sanitized water. EPA approved. Shocking the spa after each use will destroy organic bather waste. Usage directions: startup. Add 1/2 Oz of this product per 500 gallons of water prior to entering spa. Wait 5 minutes, then check chlorine residual. Residual chlorine must read between 2 and 3 ppm. If it does not, additional dosages of material should be added until it does. Once the chlorine residual is established in the 2 to 3 ppm range, the spa or hot tub may be entered. Dosage: startup 1/2 Oz per 500 gallons. Maintenance: 1/2 Oz per 500 gallons. Superchlorination: 1 Oz per 500 gallons. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.